Hello everyone, I am Mino Kim, a PhD student in Department of Biomechatronics Engineering. My research is about development of an electrochemical sensor for environmental toxic substances. First of all, let me explain about the importance of the sensor. Nowadays, various toxic materials are being used due to the development of an industry and technology. Due to chemical leakage accident and effluent, the environment is being polluted rapidly. Even very low concentration of toxicant, such as lead and cadmium, can be accumulated through food chain and be hazardous to human. Therefore, it is important to develop sensors that detect toxic substances even at low concentration from environment to prevent poisoning accidents. These sensors require several capabilities such as sensitivity and point of use. Traditional methods such as LC-MS and ELISA show extremely high sensitivity. However, these methods are bulky and expensive, which are not suitable for point of use. Other portable methods such as lateral flow assay is simple and cheap, but lacks in sensitivity. In other hands, the electrochemical sensor platform shows many advantages, such as quick analysis, miniaturization, and simple usage. The electrochemical sensor determines target concentration by analyzing redox reaction signal between target and the electrode. This platform takes a large portion of global market, and the market is growing every year. However, it suffers from limitation that the sensitivity of the sensor is low. In my research, nanomaterials have been used to enhance the sensitivity. To detect toxic substances such as lead and cadmium, I approach it in two strategies. First strategy is to use bismuth nanoplate. When a material is in a nanoscale, they show different characteristics. In this case, the edge of the nanoplate is known to show electron plasmon effect, which can enhance the signal. The second strategy is to use nafion membrane, which only transport positively charged ion. Since the target toxicant is lead and cadmium, which is positive ion in water environment, it will act as a filter. First, the bismuth nanosphere was drop-casted on glassy carbon electrode and used to measure heavy metal ion. Then the result was compared to electrode with bismuth nanoplate. Lastly, nafion was coated on nanoplate and used to measure heavy metal ion. In figure 1.1, bismuth nanosphere and plate was imaged using SEM, and the lead and cadmium detection signal enhancement can be observed. The nanoplate we used was about 4.4 nanometers in height and 100 nanometers in diameter, as you can see in figure 1.2. The nanoplate was fabricated by tip sonicating nanosphere, and therefore sonication time affected the morphology of nanoplate. Detection signal was mostly enhanced when sonicated for 16 minutes. With the optimized parameter, different concentration of lead and cadmium was measured to see sensitivity. It showed excellent performance, and limit of detection was far below the Environment Ministry guideline. Also, it showed linear response when tested using tap water and effluent. Therefore, this sensor can be used in real life. Based on this research, my future work is to develop point-of-use sensor. Because lots of pollution occurs due to unauthorized discharge, and point-of-use sensor is needed to prevent these problems. My future work will use screen-printed electrode and 3D printed model and portable potential stat, so that we can detect heavy metal ion at the site using our smartphones. Also, for consistent monitoring of the environment, it is my goal to develop automatic monitoring system. In summary, my research is about a journey of developing electrochemical sensor to detect environmental toxic substances. I hope my research eventually reduce and prevent environmental pollution. Thank you for your attention.